A long time ago, at Plain of Dura, a king named Nebuchadnezzar built a giant golden statue and told everyone to worship it. Everyone must bow down when you hear the music. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego did not bow. The king, angry and confused, shouting,
"Why aren't you bowing to my statue?"
"We only worship the one true God," Shadrach responding calmly and bravely. The king was furious and ordered the furnace to be made 7 times hotter. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were tied up and thrown into the blazing fire. The fire was so hot that even the soldiers got burned. "Didn't we throw 3 men into the fire?" the king asked his counselors. He answered to the king and said, "True, but I see 4 men walking in the fire, and one looks like an angel." So the king called them out, and they came out without a single burn. "Your God has saved you," the king said to them, and from that day, the king praised the one true God. The end, and see you next time.